Masbate Gold Project is located about 360 kilometers southeast of Manila. Our daily tonnage range between 90 to 105 tons. Our process plant is capable of processing 8 million tons a year, with gold production ranging between 170 to 190,000 ounces a year. It's a low-grade, high-tonnage deposit. Our average grade is about 0.9. That's what we put in the plant. So 8 million tons, 470, 190,000 ounces, you can imagine it's a lot of dirt. If we miss a bit on the drilling, then the downstream side will run dry, right? Just like a river.
Drilling and blasting is very important because it is one of the main factors that contribute to how much we can produce. So if there is no drilling and blasting, there is nothing to mine. The Panteras have been with us for a very long time, around 2012. They're performing really well. They're very reliable and they have aligned with our goals, especially with cost savings and production targets.
Productivity, availability of the drills and reliability, fuel efficiency, and cost. So those are the parameters we look at.
Regarding with the DP1500i, I was very amazed with this drill. It's very intelligent. Anything you need, collecting data, and then high penetration rate. Everything you need is already in the machine. The cargo system is there already. So it's easy to troubleshoot, then easy to fix, and all the parts for the maintenance is very accessible. What Sandvik does is very, very important for us on our maintenance side because we got a reliable and accurate information what we need for the machine.
The technical services side of Sandvik, I think it's a main thing when it comes to our relationship. When we have a problem that technicians on site cannot do it, we will tap on Sandvik and they will get us assistance as soon as possible. There's a lot to talk about Sandvik because I think they're reliable, well-serviced. They carry a wide range of big size. We couldn't do small holes with big drills, but we can do big holes with small drills, which are Pantera. So that's where Pantera beats the other guys, I guess. It does all size of holes for an average operation.
It has been a great partnership with Sandvik.